All right, yes then the people. We're with DJ Audits. We just went to Lewisham. And we're here at this Catford TSG base on Aitken Road, or otherwise known as TDP. Aitken Road. So we're going to get the drone up. We did go to Lewisham. We put the drone up. I think the issue there, right, they all kind of recognised me at Lewisham, so they didn't react to the drone going up, simply because they probably identified me, probably circulated the fact that an auditor was present at Lewisham, and they were probably made aware of our intent. So I'm going to try it a little bit different this time. I've told DJ, listen.
We begin in South London, just outside a specialist police facility in Catford. Today's visit follows an earlier stop in Lewisham where officers appeared familiar with the team. This time, the approach is different. Launch first, observe second. The objective remains transparency, documentation, and calm public engagement.
Let's get the drone up first and then go from there. Because in any case, I don't think the officers from this police base are going to know who I am. So let's see. Obviously, I ain't got my drone today. I've got the controller, but I ain't got the drone. One was seized, and I crashed the other one. So I'm with DJ. He's teaching me a few things, man. DJ's too sick with the drone, man. I can't lie. DJ's sick with the drone. So I'm trying to learn a few things, pick his brain, digest all the info that I can. Definitely, but I've learned a lot. Just hanging with DJ today. So
the collaboration features DJ Audits, known for skilled drone operation and measured dialogue. With one drone previously seized and another damaged, today's pilot responsibilities fall to DJ. It's also an opportunity to learn, refine technique, and better understand the boundaries of lawful aerial filming.
Content or no content, still grateful for the information that he shared with me. But anyhow, gonna get the drone up and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, peace. All right, so the drone's going up. Our pilot's DJ. And we'll pick this back up inevitably.
That's what it is you're doing. That would be really helpful.
We don't want to talk over each other, so I'll just let my colleague continue for now.
He's not saying anything.
So if you repeat what you said, I didn't catch that last bit.
As the drone lifts smoothly into the air, attention quickly turns toward the interaction unfolding below. Officers approach, not with urgency, but with questions. Their tone suggests uncertainty rather than confrontation. The conversation begins with legislation, specifically references to aviation law and public safety considerations.
We'd have to check the specifics of the legislation,
all right, well,
which you guys may or may not have checked.
We certainly have checked.
There are quite stringent regulations under Civil Aviation Act. I don't know the specifics. We would have to check it out.
Yeah. So of course you've mentioned that you don't know the legislation, you don't know the specifics.
Not offhand, but we could look it up.
But would you assume that we do, because we've come here to do the activity?
Well, I'd assume that you at least think you do.
Thank you for that, because that's given me a little bit of respect back that you started to take away when you first approached, saying there's legislation against what you're doing. So
I can't remember my exact words.
Yeah.
But we're curious to see what you're doing here, just to get an explanation from yourselves to satisfy our curiosity. Yeah. We can then look at the specifics.
Do you know when you say police staff?
Discussion centers on the Civil Aviation framework. Officers mention restrictions, though acknowledge they would need to confirm specifics. The filmmakers remain composed, emphasizing that preparation and legal awareness form part of their process before any flight takes place in public airspace.
PCSO?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm sure somewhere it does have to say PCSO. Does it say it anywhere at all? At the minute, you're impersonating a police officer.
Well, I've got police stuff.
Yeah, could you show me where it says PCSO?
Well, it doesn't.
Are you a PCSO?
I'm not comfortable with that.
You said you were a PC.
So
you can speak to my colleague.
We've started, so we're going to have to finish. Have you got your designation?
I don't have to do anything with you.
Have you got your designation?
I don't have to do anything with you. You are police auditors. I don't have to.
Excuse me, that is very rude. You got the destination card, please?
Leave him.
Wow. That is very unusual to have behaviour like that.
We will go and check the legislation and
You
we'll
should have done that
return.
anyway. How rude is that, eh? He starts coming up, telling us that.
Clarification is requested regarding roles and a brief exchange explores identification and authority. While the tone tightens momentarily, both sides continue speaking. Questions of uniform markings and professional titles arise, illustrating how easily misunderstandings can develop during on-the-spot enforcement conversations.
We're doing something wrong, doesn't know the legislation, hasn't got the word PCSO written anywhere at all on his uniform. So, in my opinion, he's impersonating a police officer. He's got no powers. He's got no idea what he's talking about. So I think we'll need to start again with somebody that knows what we're talking about.
Bro, go slap it back up there, man.
I think for now, I'm just going to land this and I can point my camera in a suitable position.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, I will
You can't do that because, for example, I'll give you an example. If you was to cross that line right now, that's not public property, okay? And there's a risk for us. There's no problem you recording me here right now.
You identify yourself.
No, but listen, because I listen to you. There's no problem with us.
No, you haven't listened to anything.
Okay, but when that's police station, okay?
The central issue shifts toward airspace rights. Can a drone legally pass above buildings? Does private property restrict the sky above it? These are complex legal questions. In the United Kingdom, airspace regulation differs from ground trespass law, creating nuance that often requires careful explanation.
You can't fly a drone over it. As well, B&M, if it's private property and that drone is filming B&M, you can't do that.
Yeah, you don't know what
That
you're
drone
talking
can be
about.
only in public spaces.
Yeah, you don't know
Unless
what you're
you've got
talking about.
permission.
This is all a public space.
Capita TP is not.
You don't
public
own the
place.
airspace,
You cannot
though.
go in unless you're a police officer or police staff. You can't go into Catford TDP, can you?
Do you know how it works?
Can you go into Catford TDP?
Yeah,
sir?
of course I can.
You
With a
can?
drone, I can, yeah.
You can? You want to give it a go, you'll get arrested.
Would you mind identifying yourself? Like, you're here, like, giving directives and that.
I'm not giving directions. I've answered your question.
No one asked you a question.
He did. He just came over.
Yeah.
You don't know what you're
Did you?
talking about.
I was just about to say to you, do you actually know how the airspace works?
I mean, not
No, she
really
don't.
much.
Okay,
She don't
so
know anything.
But you
You're
can't
telling
put your
us
drone
that we can't
over
do it.
Catford
Would you like me to tell you why you're
No,
wrong?
you can, but I'm going to tell you you can't put your drone over.
No, of course we can.
Catford.
Yeah.
Go on.
Would you like me to explain what makes your statement incorrect?
Okay, go on. What's your...
Concerns are raised about filming sensitive locations, including police premises. Officers explain that certain operational areas may require additional caution. The filmmakers acknowledge these concerns while maintaining that public vantage points in lawful airspace use remain protected under existing civil aviation guidelines.
name, sorry?
I haven't said it.
Okay.
You seem a bit nervous.
Danny.
Danny,
Yeah,
nice to
I'm
meet you,
not,
Danny.
but
You
don't
sound,
need
you
to
just
be so
seem a bit,
antagonising.
you seem a
The
bit
thing
nervous.
is,
There's no need to be
we're having
nervous.
a conversation. We're both human beings. There's no need for you to be antagonising.
No, I'm not
If you're
antagonising you at all.
Towards me, it's Batari's box. The way you speak to me, I'm going to speak the same way to you.
No one's antagonising you, though.
Hopefully we can
Yeah,
end
go
this
on.
conversation
We are
with
having
a
a
bit of
conversation.
education.
You're just saying stuff that's
Yeah,
incorrect.
do you want to step out?
No, I'm okay in the car.
You're okay, yeah. Hopefully you don't take that the wrong way.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I have no problem with you
Yeah.
talking to you. It's just at the same time, there's no reason to give me attitude or be.
No one's giving you
or making
attitude. Like,
comments.
you're saying
You
things,
can
but
agree with that,
they're
though.
just
He's
not
making
right.
Comments. See, you're smiling. He's making comments which are not necessary.
Like what?
Because at the end of the day, I'm being respectful and listening to you. Me and you are not going to agree.
No
on
one cares
everything.
about your
But
respect.
I
Like,
just, see, it's
Tension subtly increases when legislation is quoted specifically distance restrictions relating to congested areas. The officer references the 150-meter rule. However, drone classification by weight plays a crucial role in determining which provisions apply, a detail that becomes central to the discussion.
rude.
we don't owe you any respect. We're trying to do something. You're telling us we can't do it when we can do it.
So when you fly a drone,
Yeah, go on, sir.
it all depends on where you're standing.
Yeah.
So if you're standing on public property, you can fly over private property as long as there's not a private restriction in place.
Lady's saying, "Oh, you can't fly it. You're not allowed to fly it." Like, they're not sending their best.
I get that.
We can fly anywhere that we like, regardless of whether it's a police station or a court building. Some places that you're not normally allowed to go into with the camera, and I know going past your boundary would be a big no-no.
But do you understand why a police officer would question that?
We do, but hopefully we can all end this with a bit of education, knowing that I can take my drone over there, and I can.
The drone in question weighs under 250 grams, placing it within a lighter regulatory category under UK aviation standards. That distinction matters, Different operational limitations apply depending on aircraft weight and risk classification, and both parties recognize the importance of accuracy before enforcement action.
All your tactical vehicles and your dog vehicles that I've seen at the back.
But you doing that, okay, you're putting it out to members of the public. At the end of the day, police do deal with a lot of criminal stuff, don't they? We deal with criminality. You're revealing, okay, there might be stuff that doesn't have to be revealed. That's why you can't go there as police, as a member of the public. Yeah. You can go to a front office, you could go to Lewisham right now and go to front counter, but you can't go into the police station because it's restricted to members of the public.
It's not restricted to drones though, is it?
It's restricted to members of the public, is it not? It's not a front counter there for you to go in there. For example, that's what I said to you.
This lady's just pulling the strings right now. So we're just gonna see how this one's gonna unfold. She's just, I don't know what this is like, she sent her out, but she's the one that's pulling the strings. So just watch this one.
Yeah, but I'm not denying that.
Hi DJ, you know she's.
A warning is issued. Continued flight could result in seizure. The statement is firm, yet procedural, rather than escalate. The operators calmly indicate willingness to clarify. Documentation, they explain, is part of ensuring accountability both for themselves and for public authorities.
Stalling you. She's stalling you, bro. Get the drone back up. She's stalling you while she's pulling the strings.
There's not a good note or bad note, but if you're gonna fly a drone at a police station, you will be questioned on it.
All right, you've asked questions. We've answered your questions.
Who do you audit for? Sorry.
We don't know what that word means. Like
Is it you've asked me questions and I've answered them? Do you see the attitude?
DJ, man, see the bigger picture, bro. She's stalling you while she's making things on the phone. Let's cut. Get the drone back up.
You've asked me my name, you've asked me quick things. I've said to you, I don't know the whole. I've been honest, I'm not going to lie.
Our little conversation.
Yeah.
It's funny how she's talking to him, but then she's making little comments, wanting me to interject. But then when I interject, she just ignores me and talks to him. It's not making a whole lot of sense.
Moments later, the drone returns to the sky. The atmosphere is measured, not chaotic. Observers wait to see whether enforcement follows through. The interaction now becomes a test not of defiance but of interpretation, discretion, and confidence in understanding the law correctly.
DJ, man, too chatty, man.
Oh, so it's a social experiment. Do you have like a YouTube site then?
Bro, DJ, bro, just stop talking. You're doing too much talking.
Just ask me. It's not
You're doing too much talking, bro. Stop talking to her. Stop talking to her.
Because I can't take too much airtime.
She's just stalling you, bro.
I'm just asking the same question.
Oh, thank you for your time. We're not doing anything illegal, so
No,
we'd prefer, we'd prefer if you wouldn't interfere with us. Yeah. Well, we've answered enough questions. We'd like to be left alone now. We're gonna take the drone back up. We don't want to be interfered with. Is that okay? Good. Yeah?
Time passes, no further action is taken. The officers do not reappear, and the predicted seizure does not occur. Eventually, the team concludes the segment. The exchange ends not with confrontation, but with uncertainty lingering quietly in the background.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You can see that we're no threat.
I mean, no, it's the answer. It's not needed.
See?
I mean, you've just had a conversation.
He hasn't been rude. You keep talking about rudeness. Like you're talking about me whilst facing him. No, but you're always making little comments.
You want to have a conversation with me or not?
Each time I come over there, you won't even look at me. You won't even look at me.
You're a member of the public, but so am I when I take this uniform.
No.
You don't have to be rude to me.
You're not.
I've not been rude to you, so don't speak disrespectful.
Why are you such a snowflake? Like, you're a police officer. Like,
I am a police
people
officer.
are going
I've
to
got
be
uniform.
rude.
Have I been disrespectful to you?
I would
DJ,
expect
have I
your
been rude
threshold.
to you? Have I been
She
rude
knows
to
my
you,
name.
DJ? Yeah, because you said your name. Have I been rude to you?
No one's been rude to you, though,
Have I
love.
been rude to you?
Well, that's
No,
quality
but
of
have
your
I been
job.
rude?
It's the
No.
quality that goes back
I've
in your job.
spoken to you because you are members of the public.
I feel like you're a bit sensitive.
Reflecting on the day, the collaboration is viewed positively. Beyond content creation, knowledge sharing stands out. Technical skill, regulatory awareness, and field experience combine to shape future filming strategies. Every encounter adds perspective on communication between citizens and authorities.
I'm
Like,
a police service. I'm not. I'm just saying, if I'm being polite to you, and
Alright,
I'm actually
okay.
answering
Alright,
your
alright, okay.
questions,
okay.
is there any reason for you to be antagonising and rude? Is there? Exactly.
You're police. Like,
I am a police officer.
you should.
Have you had some instruction from comms? Let's hear it. Come on.
Okay, so because there's a camera on it, that's the bit that you're not allowed to do, okay? So under the Civil Aviation Act,
You aren't allowed to fly that within 150 metres of congested area. You're in London, it's a congested area. Therefore, you are not allowed to fly with the camera.
That's your side of things. Would you like me to?
That is what I'm telling you.
Would you like me to prove otherwise?
If you carry on flying it, it will be seized. Okay?
I would like to prove otherwise because what you've said is incorrect. So unfortunately, just to continue the experiment.
Boss bitch.
DJ,
No hard feelings. No hard feelings.
listen.
All right.
A bonus interaction follows near Lewisham Police Station. An officer on scene, guarding an active investigation area, engages in relaxed conversation. The tone is notably different, open, conversational, and informal, demonstrating that public filming encounters can vary widely in atmosphere.
She's just said to you, you can do your experiment, but she's just told you. Okay?
What
If
she
you
said is
choose to not listen to
All right, let's see what's going to happen now.
If you choose to not listen to what the police officer told you, okay? And then if someone asks you,
She's driving up.
Yeah, you ain't seizing shit though.
See you in a minute. Right, the drone's got to go up, guys.
All right, this is what we'll do, right?
Is wrong.
So that bitch woman come and said, "Oh, if you fly the drone again, it's going to be seized." She quoted some legislation that doesn't actually pertain to drones that are 250 grams or less. So just going to see how this one's going to unfold. We've got the drone back up. DJ is a badass motherfucker, so just going to see how this one how this one unfolds, I suppose you could say.
The officer references a recent incident under investigation. Details remain limited. As expected during active inquiries, professional boundaries are maintained. Yet the exchange highlights how respectful dialogue can exist even when cameras are present in sensitive locations.
All right then, guys, I hope you enjoyed the collaboration between myself and DJ Audits. As you would have seen on DJ's version of this video, we did take the drone back up, waited to see if it would be seized, as that lady police woman said it would. Lady police woman. Waited for them to come back out. They didn't come back out. We got bored of waiting for them to come back out. So yeah, we left. So yeah, had a good day filming with DJ. Learned a lot of new stuff. And yeah, you know, I'd like to do it again soon. But yeah, more drone videos coming. Anything else to add? Don't think so. I'm going to throw in a clip now, a little bonus clip.
Recognition plays a role. The officer mentions having seen previous videos online. In the digital era, visibility influences perception. Familiarity can reduce tension, replacing suspicion with understanding. It also underscores how public documentation has become a common feature of modern policing environments.
Of me chatting with some male PC near Lewisham Police Station. I think he was guarding some sort of crime scene. I think it was a stabbing or something. Okay. So yeah, enjoy. Peace. Bye. Yeah? Who am I?
Huh?
Who am I?
Coley.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yeah, how you doing?
Yeah, not bad. Just gonna do Lewisham in a sec. What's happened here though?
It was a stabbing, unfortunately.
Oh really?
Yeah.
When did that happen?
It was yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
So what, is the forensic team been here and stuff?
I think they've still got more to do, more inquiries.
Okay.
That's why they've still got the crime scene up.
How did you find out about Coley?
Huh?
How did you find out about Coley?
Oh, you've got to keep up to date with these things.
You reckon?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I've seen your videos, innit?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was there some sort of briefing that went round?
I just sort of see it on YouTube, innit? It comes up in like the recommended and all that.
Okay. You know who this guy is? This is the guy you need to look out for, man. Up and coming. Next up.
The day concludes with reflection and optimism. No dramatic escalation. No enforcement action, just conversation, differing interpretations, and shared public space. Encounters like these illustrate the evolving balance between lawful filming, aviation regulation, and professional policing within contemporary urban Britain.
He's next up. He's teaching me today. He knows about the channel. If you wouldn't mind explaining to him what's going on. So I'm gonna just let DJ do his thing, capture some content. So you've got this kind officer. So he knows who I am. That's what I mean. I was telling DJ, like, these lot know, like, they know the score. Like, they know who I am. You alright?
Yeah, you?
Is that your whip?
Yeah.
Nice. Anyhow, we'll pick it back up. Nice whip though, lady. Big up all my independent women.